Alright, you guys, look at that. Ball River Falls. You know we're gonna have to go down there. There's my husband over there. Let's see, you guys. We're going for a little ride. I didn't think I was gonna make it, cause yeah, wasn't feeling too great yesterday, but yeah, today I'm still a little okay. A lot better. You guys can look at it. Nice. Let's look over here and see how we can get down. You can get over here, you see this little sign right down here. It says Ball River Falls. Woo! Ball River Falls. Hey, guess what? Alright, so I have my motorcycle shoes on today. And not my hiking shoes, but I guess it's still got some good tread on it. So look, we're getting closer. There's my husband. Guys, look at that. Oh. Look at it. Hey guys. It is worth the walk. It's beautiful. You too. Wow. We're down here at the base of the falls now. Look how beautiful it is. Alright, now. That is Ball River Falls, you guys. Look at that, you guys. It's all worth it just to see the beauty of it. I miss these woods. Look at this, you guys. This is underneath Ball River Falls. I'm going to do it real slow. And we're going to the other side over here. There this river is. And woo! Hey, I can sit out here all day long.